Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Trust Wallet. First, you'll want to download the official Trust Wallet application. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Trust Wallet. Make sure the developer is listed as Trust Wallet to avoid any fake applications. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll see an option to create a new wallet. Tap on that to begin your journey into decentralized finance. Next, you'll be prompted to read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to quickly review these. After that, you'll set up a passcode, which could be a 6-digit PIN, or you can enable biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID for quick access. This passcode protects your wallet on your device. Crucially, you'll then be introduced to your recovery phrase, a 12-word sequence that is the master key to your funds. This step is absolutely vital for the security of your funds. You will see a 12-word recovery phrase displayed on your screen. It is imperative that you write these words down in the exact order on a piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot, email it to yourself, or store it digitally. Keep this physical copy in a very safe, private place. Remember, anyone with this phrase has full control over your wallet, so never share it with anyone. To ensure you've correctly recorded your recovery phrase, Trust Wallet will ask you to confirm it. You'll need to re-enter the 12 words in the precise order they were originally presented. Once confirmed, congratulations! Your Trust Wallet is now successfully created and ready for you to use. You can now explore the intuitive interface to send and receive various cryptocurrencies, manage your digital assets, and even interact with decentralized applications. Enjoy your new secure crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.